Hi, my name is DJ. I am a bike mechanic here at Biktrix. Today we are going to assemble a Kutty LT. We will need a pair of side cutters and a 5mm Allen key to assemble the bike. So, we will open up the box now. First, we have toolbox inside. We have a charger, pedals and tools. We will take the bike out now. Now, we will take all the packaging off from the bike. So, we will unfold the bike now. There is a quick release latch over here. So, you will need to push it up a little bit and get this frame aligned and then lock it in the slot, that. To mount the handlebars on, we will need a 5mm Allen key. So, just lift this handlebar up and lock this lever. So, the handlebar is locked. There is a quick release lever on the top as well. So, you can adjust the degree over here of the levers according to your comfort level and just lock it back. If you want to increase the height of the handlebar, just unlock this lever and lift the handlebar up and lock it back, and use a 5mm Allen key to tighten the stem bolts. Now, we will mount the pedals. Pedals do come with markings on them, left and right. We will need 15mm wrench, which is given in the toolbox. We will use some grease to lube the threads and rotating towards the handlebar. We will use a 15mm wrench to snug it up. It's tight. The left one, again we will use some grease. Rotating towards the handlebar again. And snug it up with 15mm wrench. So, our pedals are installed. In order to turn the bike on, you will need to use the key to turn the battery on. Once the key is inserted, you can turn the power on from here, from the display, and you can check the headlamp. It's working. So, now your bike is fully assembled. Visit our support page on our website if you have any questions or queries. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was very helpful.